Alright folks, we're walking just outside of the auditorium down the hallways of the main building here, and this is abandoned asylum. It was abandoned approximately 15 years ago. We're just exploring these hallways, these really creepy hallways. Somebody wrote their Tumblr page on the wall. Promise me something. Never promise me anything. Jesus. So cliche.
That's so fucking deep.
That's far. Oh look, there's a wax machine over there.
Is it? Man, you want that shit? There's the wheel for it.
Yeah. Branches growing in. I gotta keep it away from the side of my leg. Look, there's another one. What's up? E40.
What was it again? It was 141, wasn't it?
142. You gotta take that. Is it? Here, use your knife.
I don't want to break it though.
Here, I can use my knife.
There's gotta be something better. Something that has like still its name on it.
Yeah. Yeah. Dude, look at these lockers. Oh my god, look at this place. It's destroyed. Wow.
Yeah, this must have been elementary school, like preschool, because you get your cubby hole.
Yeah. That's the pill he spits on, people. Nothing freaky. Look, there's a pencil in here.
Yeah, they still got curtains up in the back here.
Do they?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that chair. This is so creepy.
Just imagine.
My god, they still have the curtains hanging
The
up.
hands coming out from behind the curtains.
Now if we did like a Halloween thing here. Wow, that's so
Walk
creepy.
down these corridors, grab you.
Ooh, stop. A lot of no smoking signs hanging up.
We got a piece of asbestos around here right there.
Where?
Right there, you see it?
Where?
That.
That's asbestos?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Fiberglass asbestos.
No, don't touch it. Do not touch that. Dude, they got the cord to this thing still. Dude, there's gotta be some kind of copper.
3.5 millimeter?
Yeah, right. Plug it in. See if it works. Look, this says eat my ass over here. Whoa. Ant boy. Did you hear that? Yeah, the constant taps. Fuck chief. Pigs. Wow, this. Oh my god. Straight up N-word there. Sorry guys. Fuck Trump. There's a lot of fuck Trumps in this place too. I don't know. Well, if they don't like Trump, then they would not be out here breaking the law. You know? Dude, look at this room. Oh yeah, like the circular, the rotundas. Here, look, this might be like where that. Oh, this is it right here, the main lobby, where like the symbol is on the ground. That logo on the ground. Nah, it's just my armpit.
It's radioactive.
Yeah. You go to Chernobyl like 10 times, you know?
What the fuck is this?
I don't know what this
Classroom or something?
No, this has to be like office area. People work back here. Kind of like case managers, you know?
Where's the symbols?
Whoa, look at this. Someone brought their music in here. It's still wet too. There's something in the ground. It's not this room. Look at that light down there, that light. No, because there's like a destroyed wall. 86318. Yeah, let's go. Wrong room. There's a room here with the logo on the ground. Weed.
No.
It says weed right there. I am a dying god coming into human flesh. Oh, jeez.
Hold on, why did you say that?
Right there. It's written with Sharpie. Wish I'd carve it off the wall. I'm taking this home with me. Get the ceilings. So those Penhurst. That's got to be some kind of that's got to be some kind of other asylum. I know they. That's old school writing right there. Look, 1973. That's how old that switch is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's probably a lot of roof access here. That's my foot. Oh, you going? You can really hear an echo down here too. Yeah, there's probably like a skylight. It's definitely how water's getting in there. Ooh. It's like a staff office. Alright. What's up? Toilet paper. Oh my god. You gotta take a pee, here you go. Jesus Christ. Weird. What's that?
It's all screwed down. I want to take the admin plate.
Yeah. Piping to the toilet. They always had to have access to that back then. I don't see any member. Look at the sink. You want that sink? Soap dispenser? That's a really old Wawa cup. Like a hair in my mouth. It's shut. There's a door handle. It's really stuck. It's stuck shut. Someone tried it. Yeah.
Seems like it's locked on the outside.
What does that say? No smoking. Yeah. Got with my foot. Handrails. Look at the handrails. Sorry for patients that couldn't walk. Wow. Light bulbs. Does it?
Water demolition.
Mildew. Oh yeah, don't breathe that. Don't breathe in the black mold. Look at that. Look, it's like a worm. Jesus. Or what? Look at that hole in the ceiling right there. Alright, I'm gonna pause filming. My hand hurts.